In this guide, we'll delve into iCloud backups, covering how they function, their limitations, and alternative iOS device backup options. Whether you're new to iCloud backups or aiming to enhance your data management, this overview offers valuable insights and tips. Part 1. How many backups does iCloud keep? iCloud on your device retains only the latest backup due to its incremental backup system, wherein it combines the previous backup with the current one. Part 2. How long does iCloud back up the iPhone? The duration varies among users, making it challenging to provide exact numbers. Factors such as backup size, internet speed, and device conditions contribute to this variability. Additionally, users report differing backup durations. Part 3. How to check the backups iCloud keep. Open the Settings app on your iOS device. Tap on your name at the top of the screen to access your Apple ID settings. Select iCloud. Tap on Manage Storage. Choose Backups. Part 4. What are the disadvantages of using iCloud? Internet dependency. iCloud requires an active internet connection for access to files. Cost. Initially, users receive 5 GB of free iCloud storage. Privacy concerns. While iCloud offers convenience, privacy remains a significant concern. Part 5. How to back up iDevices without iCloud. If you're seeking a more effective backup solution for your iOS devices, consider using Mobikin Assistant for iOS. This software enables you to effortlessly and selectively back up your iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch to various destinations. Click the icon above to get the tool on computer and back up your iOS devices with it in 3 steps. Step 1. Open Assistant for iOS and navigate to the Super Toolkit section in the top menu. Step 2. Select iTunes Backup and Restore, and a pop-up window will display all connected iOS devices available for backup. Step 3. Click Backup. Choose your device and storage location, then click Backup to start. Avoid disconnecting your iPhone, iPad, or iPod during the process. Step 4. To restore from an iTunes backup, click the Restore button in the top menu and select the desired backup file. For selective backup of iPhone data, choose specific file categories from the left sidebar. Preview and select the content you wish to back up from the right window. Then click Export to transfer it to your computer.